I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own NFT collection without even needing to code. We're going to be looking at these two different platforms, NiftyKit and Glip. You're going to be learning 3 things in this video. Number 1, the features. Number 2, the pricing. Number 3, which one I would choose. First, we're going to start with NiftyKit. This is a no-code platform where you can create, manage, and sell NFTs, all within one platform. Glip allows you to drop NFTs live as you're streaming on Twitch. Let's take a look at key features. For NiftyKit, you can create a smart contract, you can mint NFTs to your collections and sell anywhere. This breaks down, instead of writing your own smart contract or needing to find it on OpenZeppelin or do these things with open source, this allows you to have the structure and everything's pretty much done for you. Then you can mint your NFTs to your collection and sell anywhere. There are a few things that stand out with this platform. They have something called a drop kit, so this allows you to build hype around your project, be able to pre-sale, be able to do airdrops, all of those things that you see huge projects to do. You can have this in just a few clicks. If we look at the mint button, this enables you to be able to have your audience to mint being on your platform. So instead of just having it on a secondary market, which you still can with OpenSea or things like that, you can have this on your Webflow, your WordPress, or Squarespace site very easily. You can also do this not only with Ethereum, but you can also do this with an L2 platform or L2 chain like Polygon. As we look at Glip, this allows you to drop NFTs to your audience simply by clicking the F4 key, and it will take the last 30 seconds of stream and it will become an NFT. Again, this is specifically for gamers looking to have another edge with their audience and be able to expand their brand. They can be using this very easily. The other thing that I liked when we saw the promo for this would be you can have it as an auction for a limited time, about 15 minutes, I believe, right after you post it. So you make the NFT, it drops in the chat, and people can go to the site and now bid on it. It takes about 15 minutes. It will be an auction, and then they get that exclusive NFT. You can create a community around different ones that hold that NFT. You can do that with Discord, have very custom events for them or special events. There's a lot around this, and I think this is going to be huge for gamers. This is one of the first that I've seen of its kind and so specific for a niche, but as to make it so easy like this, I think this has a really a good chance for adoption, and we're going to be interested to see what it looks like in the future. I will say it is for early access. I haven't been able to test out the platform myself. I'm in their Discord, so if you're interested in something like this, like Glip, make sure in the comment section down below, let me know if you're interested in doing this for yourself or pairing or aligning yourself with a creator or an influencer that's in the gaming space and building this for them. Let's look at pricing. For NiftyKit, it is $9.99 a month. You get one custom collection, unlimited NFT minting, includes all NiftyKit features, and includes all gas fees. For $10 to have all of that covered, I find that a pretty good price. Now, I will say they also have a subscription add-on. Depends on what you're planning to do. If you're doing something on an L2 like Polygon, for the smart contract, it's an extra $39.99 add-on. If you're going to do the Ethereum mainnet single NFT mint, that's $150. And then if you want the mainnet smart contract, that's about $1,500. It's $1,499. Now, if I'm looking at that, if I'm going to just get started, I would probably need the all-in of $150 for the mint if I'm going to go on Ethereum, and then I'm going to probably get the membership. So I'm looking at about $160. I'd be interested to know about their mainnet smart contract, if it only works with their platform, or once I pay them, can I use that contract? And if I want to switch platforms or use that in whatever project I'm going to be using, Third Web, or I decide to launch it from my local terminal and do all of those things, can I use that contract that way? That's something to find out. Regarding Glip, I couldn't find any information on how much this is going to be. The early access, they're going to be selective who they're going to allow in, but they haven't mentioned what the price is going to be, if it's going to be a percentage or anything like that. What's also interesting, it mentions applying for early access, earn a stake in the company, earn fractional equity rewards as the first 500 founding Glippers. That's interesting. I'm interested what they're going to be doing. If you're interested, you want me to find out more, let me know, and I'll try to reach out to the team or find out more information. After looking at both platforms, the winner is, I'm going to go with, it depends. No, seriously, if I'm going to want an all-in-one, I'm going to go with NiftyKit. In fact, because NiftyKit is up and running and we're seeing that they're hiring and they're being very aggressive, I'm probably going to go with NiftyKit. But if I'm going to want to do something and I'm a gamer and I want something very specific and I want this part of my stream and I'm on Twitch that's very specific, I would be interested in Glip and trying to find out more. Listen, people want things that are easy. Glip clearly understands the ecosystem of gamers. They're trying to do this. They're focused on gamers. I like when people are going super deep on a vertical. I think Glip could have some major traction. But if you are not a gamer, if you're not willing to wait, because this just recently launched. We're putting this out the same week that it launched on Product Hunt. The jury's still out. If I'm looking to move fast and I'm trying to get started right now, NiftyKit has everything that I need to get started today. And that's if I need to mint, if I'm going to be launching it on my own website, all of those things, it's right there. And as we've been covering, there are some crazy projects, including an influencer that is selling NFT fart jars and they're making money. You can be doing this too. I mean, hopefully you're having a better project and you have something behind it, but you see what I mean. If you're having everything at your disposal, you're having the tech that you need to have these airdrops, to have these pre-sales, you can be doing this as an artist, as an influencer. Start creating your brand using these Web3 platforms. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're trying to accomplish. And if you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.